Hello everyone, good evening. So right now I am in front of the entrance gate of the Belur Math, which is popular for Swami Vivekananda, who founded the Ramakrishna Mission and Math. So I am going here and let's see and explore together with me and learn lots of things about the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi. So bolo Jai Ma Kali, and it is located just opposite of the Hooghly river of the Dakshineshwar Kali temple. So let's
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सो अभी मैं बेलूर मठ के सामने खड़ा हूँ। गेट के बाहर 3:30 टाइम होने वाला है, जो कि गेट खुलने वाली है। सो मैं स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का रामकृष्ण परमहंस का हेड क्वार्टर घूमने के लिए आया हूँ और अभी जा रहा हूँ, जो कि उन्होंने इस्टेब्लिश किया था रामकृष्ण परमहंस के याद में।
इन द बेलूर मठ and going slowly because lots of person are behind me going together with me. So I am also so curious and excited to see the Swami Vivekananda Ramakrishna Mission and Math headquarter Belur Math. So let's stay updated with me and subscribe with me. Thank you.
So this is the Ramakrishna Mission Sangrahalaya and Mandir, where I am going to explore and visit, but camera is not allowed, so I will not shoot inside the museum Sangrahalaya of Ramakrishna Paramhans Mandir. So Ramakrishna Mission is the headquarter of the Belur Math and the Ramakrishna Mission, founded by the Swami Vivekananda ji in 1897. So the chief disciple, who was the chief disciple of the Ramakrishna Paramhans, and it is located in Belur, West Bengal, India, on the west bank of the Hooghly river, which is located in Kolkata. So this is the main entrance gate of the Swami Vivekananda after coming to visit this temple in Belur Math. So I am going from this way. I am also so excited and so curious to see the place and temple of the Swami Vivekananda Ramakrishna Paramhans Belur Math. So this is the way to go, and many more devotees and pilgrims are always coming to visit this place, Belur Math, which is one of the most beautiful temple and area located here. So this is the way I am going.
Right
and
now I just came here to entrance of the another gate of the Ramakrishna Mission Math. So let's see the view of the entrance gate. I am just close to the Belur Math, which is the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission and Math, which is started by the Swami Vivekananda. So I am going to explore. I am not sure that inside the Belur Math I am able to make video or not. So let's see and stay updated. Thank you so much.
so Swami Vivekananda ji, who returned back to India from Colombo with a small group of disciples and started work on the 2-1 of at Belur Math to construct in the memory of Ramakrishna Paramhams. So it is notable for its architectures that fuses Hindu, Islamic, Buddhist and Christian art and motifies as symbol of unity of all religions in our country in 2003. So Belur Math was also inaugurated, which is dedicated to the Belur Math temples. So the Math can be reached by direct EMU trains service from the Howrah ferry and by road. So we can come from the Howrah also, and you can take the ferry from the Dakshineshwar Kali temple and cross the river of Hooghly, that is also called and considered as the Gange river in the Kolkata city and in West Bengal. So even we are also celebrating the National Youth Day every year on 12 January to mark the birth anniversary of the Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, who was born as Narendra Nath Datta in 1863. So Swami Vivekananda attained enlightenment on a rock in the middle at the sea in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, after meditating there for 3 days and night on 24 December, 25 December and 27 December, he meditated here and got enlightenment. So in 1892, during his meditation, he is said to have had a vision of one India and resolved to dedicate his life to serving the humanity, and this resolve is known as the Kanyakumari resolves or 1892. So Swami Vivekananda ji gave his famous speech after getting enlightenment in Kanyakumari in 1892. He gave the famous speech in Chicago in September 11 in 1893 at the World Parliament of the Chicago Religions, and his opening remarks was and his opening remarks was Sisters and Brothers of America. He introduced the Hinduism and India spirituality to the Western world and helped to establish the Swami Vivekananda was a spiritual leader and the philosopher who became as a great philosopher in the country and so popular in Western world. So Swami Sadanand is also considered as the first disciple of the Swami Vivekananda, where he met at the Hathras station, that is present time in Uttar Pradesh. So when Swami Sadanand, who was born was as Sharat Chandra Gupta, was the station master at the Hathras junction when he met Vivekananda.
Of Swami Vivekananda in Belur Math, Ramakrishna Mission and Math, and let's see inducted is a Belur Math headquarter, Ramakrishna Mission and Math. So today I can't explain that how I am feeling right now. So it is my best experience today I got here in Belur Math. So let's see, and I got a bless of Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Devi Shardama. So bolo Shri Kali Ma ki Jai. Thank you.
At Hathras junction, Swami Vivekananda met with the Swami Sadanand, who was serving as the station master work at the railway post at the station of Hathras. When he was stopped at the Hathras station, Sharad was impressed by him and invited him to stay in his quarters. After a day or 2 days, Vivekananda expressed a desire to leave, and Sharad resigned from his job to join him for Haridwar because he was passing from Hathras via coming from the Vrindavan, Mathura to Haridwar. He was going there at that time. So he was the first disciple of the Swami.
And I am feeling so awesome here. So it is a view of the Belur Math in Kolkata, which is a headquarter of Ramakrishna Mission and Math established by the Swami Vivekananda, who was a great disciple of the Ramakrishna Paramhans. So let's see and stay updated with me. Thank you so much.
So
Shri Kali
after
Ma ki
that, Swami Vivekananda met with the Margaret Noble, who was an Irish disciple who wrote a memory about the Vivekananda and later became known as the Sister Nivedita, name given by the Swami Vivekananda to the Margaret Noble. So she dedicated her life to educating the girls in Kolkata and helping the poor on orphanage, and she also spent her life to serve the poor people in Kolkata during the plague epidemic also. So she spent her childhood and early youth in the Ireland, and she was engaged to marry a Welsh youth, but he died soon after 3-year engagement, who joined with the Swami Vivekananda, become as a disciple of Swami Vivekananda. So we can find nowadays everywhere in our country as a Sister Nivedita High School and college and university also on the name of her. Even in Kolkata is also a bridge, home and some palace related with the Sister Nivedita Palace or something like that. So this is the view that I am feeling so good here after coming to visit this place. So really it's a very amazing and unique architecture of the temple I found here, which is located on the bank of Hooghly River. So I am also going to see the beaches, the sea river bank, just opposite of the Belur Math. So really this place is related with the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi, who was even Ma Sarda Devi, who was also a devotee of the Mother Kali and Goddess Kali, who was a wife of the Ramakrishna Paramhans, who was a guru, teacher of the Swami Vivekananda. And Swami Vivekananda, who was the most beloved disciple of the Ramakrishna Paramhans. So really it's a very good experience which I got. So this is the bank river of the Hooghly River at the Belur Math, Ramakrishna Mission and Paramhans headquarter. So I am feeling so awesome here, and lots of persons are respecting this river and considered as a Gange in West Bengal, as a Hooghly River also. So there are some children is also playing here, and the beauty of this place is also so natural, and even always the birds are chirping here and twittering. We can also feel the sounds of the birds like koel and cuckoo. So really, and there are also some gardens, someone is also farming a small bit of the agriculture things. So let's see and stay updated with me, and this is my all over the experience which I got here. So this is the night view of the Belur Math, Ramakrishna Mission headquarter. In night time really it's looking so awesome here, and I went inside the temple also twice and thrice, and I also meditated here for 1 hour 2 hours inside the temple of Belur Math, and tribute to Swami Vivekananda ji, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi and Ma Kali. So really I got a very good vibes from the temple and memorize the Swami Vivekananda, Ramkrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarada Devi. So I feel very good and so positive energy. So lots of salutations to the all those Swami Vivekananda, Ramkrishna Paramhans, Sarada Devi and Goddess Mother Kali and Jai Ma Ambe, Jai Ma Durge, Jai Jagdambe, Jai Mahakali. So thank you so much and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again.